online classes. This is class 3 Cyber Hub, a computer book. Dear children, now open on page 70. Today we are going to discuss that is stamp tool, magic tool and label tool. So dear children, this stamp tool, magic tool and label tool where we will get? We will get in TextPaint. Okay, we will get in TextPaint. So stamp tool, what is this stamp tool? You can use the stamp tool to paste small pictures or stickers on the drawing canvas. So you can use the stamp tool to paste small pictures, okay, small pictures you can paste, or stickers you can paste on drawing canvas. So what are the process to get this stamp tool? To get stamp tool in computer, what we have to do? The first step is that select a stamp tool. Okay, select a stamp tool from toolbar. Okay, we have to select the stamp tool from the toolbar. Various stamps will appear in the selector. So when you will select the stamp tool from the toolbar, various stamps will appear to us. Now step 2, let us see. Select a stamp and click on the drawing canvas. Okay, select a stamp and click on the drawing canvas to place it there. Okay, whatever will get the pictures from the toolbar. Now these stamps and click on the drawing canvas to place there. Okay, now step 3, use the resize button. So use the resize button to enlarge or reduce the size. Now let us use resize button to make big or small of the picture, or you can make big size or small size of the picture. Step 4, use the mirror button. Now let us use the mirror button to get mirror image of stamp. So now use the mirror button and we will get the mirror image of stamp. Then step 5, use the flip button. Flip button is two side arrows are there. This is flip button to flip the stamp. Okay, now let us see magic tool. What is this magic tool? You can use the magic tool to apply special effects to a picture. Okay, you can use or apply special effect to a picture. This tool does not work on a blank canvas. So this tool does not work on the blank canvas. So without any picture, or blank means that is fully white, okay, it will not work. So in order to, what we have to do? A picture can be made attractive by using special effect in this tool. So this picture, suppose one picture we are putting on this blank canvas. Okay, so this picture, to make attractive, to look attractive in sidewise, we can put some pictures. Suppose some pictures means any grass or trees or any leaves we can put, or any flowers we can put in sidewise, so in to look attractive way. Okay, so what are the steps to find out this magic tool? Let us see. To find out magic tool in computer, what we have to do? First step, select the magic tool from the toolbar. Okay, select the magic tool from the toolbar and we will see various options for special effect in the selector. Okay, now second step is what you like in the magic effect. That means whatever picture you like in the magic effect, you want to add or click on it any of this effect, that is drip effect, edges effect, foam effect and grass effect. So step 3, click on the drawing canvas to apply the selected option. Okay, click on the drawing canvas to apply the selected option. So now what is this drip effect, edges effect, foam effect or grass effect? We'll discuss. Drip effect. This effect makes the paint drip wherever you move the mouse pointer. Okay, it will give you drip. Okay, drip in this, that means whatever you are writing in the text, that is fully clear. Okay, deep color will give you. So you can give the drip effect to the text you typed in TuxPaint. Okay, now foam effect. You can add this effect to paint foamy bubbles that grow as you move the mouse. You can simply use the foam tool to add this effect. So it is bubbly grows, how it is growing. So this is foam effect. Okay, here grass effect. Using this tool in TuxPaint, you can paint realistic clumps of grass on the drawing canvas. So you can plant this in this drawing canvas, that is like a realistic clumps grass. Okay, now let us see a rainbow and real rainbow effect. The rainbow effect is used to draw a band of 7 colors of the rainbow. When we are drawing the rainbow, we are giving the 7 colors of the rainbow pictures. The real rainbow effect lets you create a rainbow that you see in the sky. So when we are seeing on the sky real rainbow, that is the fully, it is one side to the another side, it is fully one color is there. Okay, so it is real. This is we are making the picture. Now let us see smudge effect. So the smudge effect can be used to mix two different colors seamlessly. So two different colors we are using, that is seamlessly, that is same color it looks. Okay, same thing it will look, or same color it will look. Now let us see label tool. Okay, how we will get the label tool? You can use this to make the text float over the image. Later on you can move or edit the image. So here label tool, we can move the image or edit the image. So what are the steps? Let us see. So to make a label tool, first step is select a label tool from the toolbar. Okay, select a label tool from the toolbar. Then we will find there various kind of font styles. Okay, various kind of font style we will find. Then second step, select a font style and color of the text. Okay, color of the text what we are typing. Then third step is click on the drawing canvas and type the text. Then fourth step is press enter key or tab key to complete the text. Then step 5 is you can move or edit or change the text style. Okay, label tool, first step is select the label tool from the toolbar. Then second is select a font style and color of the text what you are typing. Okay, you can select the font style and color from the text. Then now third step is click on the drawing canvas and type the text. Then 4 is press enter key, then tap or tab key to complete the text. Then now step 5 is you can move or you can edit or you can change that text style. Now printing a drawing, how we have to print a drawing sheet. So what we have to take, let us see. You can use the print tool to print an image or drawing created by you. So what are the steps are there? Let us see. Step 1, click on the print tool from the toolbar. Okay, you click the print tool from the toolbar. Then second step, a message will appear that shows print your picture now. Like that, it will message will give you print your picture now. Then what we have to do? So step 3, click on tick mark, that is yes. Okay, then print it. To print the picture or on wrong way or that is you don't want, okay, the picture, so no, take me back when you are giving into mark. Okay, so take me back if you don't want to print the picture. Suppose you don't want to print the picture, so you give into mark or wrong sign, so it will take you back. That means you don't want to print the picture. Step 4, clicking on yes, right way tick mark, that is yes, print it option. A print dialog box will appear you. Okay, then step 5, you can select details like select printer, page range and number of copies to be printed. So you printer, you select which printer is there, that printer name. Then page range, you select which suppose that is 4A page or 4A page, you that is select it. Then number of copies, how many numbers of copy you want to take out, you select it, then you print. Step 6, you see, click on the print button. So when your print button you are clicking, so that copies it will come out from print machine. So thank you for watching this video.